Understanding adjective clauses and their functions. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we are going to delve into an interesting topic, adjective clauses and their functions. As we advance in our journey of understanding English grammar, these powerful tools will help you add more depth and complexity to your sentences. An adjective clause, also known as a relative clause, is a type of dependent clause that acts like an adjective in the sentence. This means it modifies a noun or a pronoun, providing more information about it. They are usually introduced by relative pronouns like who, which, that, etc., or relative adverbs like when, where, and why. Here's an example of an adjective clause. The book, which you recommended, is fascinating. In this sentence, the adjective clause, which you recommended, is giving us more information about the noun, book. The primary function of an adjective clause is to modify a noun or pronoun, adding details or clarification. But let's break down this function into more specific roles. 1. Describe or identify. Adjective clauses can help describe or identify the noun, pronoun. For example, the woman who lives next door is a famous author. Here, the adjective clause, who lives next door, is identifying or describing the woman. 2. Adding information. These clauses can also add extra, but often non-essential, information about the noun, pronoun. This is usually done using commas. For example, my brother's dog, who is a golden retriever, loves to play fetch. In this sentence, the adjective clause, who is a golden retriever, is providing additional information about the dog. Adjective clauses can be either essential or non-essential, and it's important to understand the difference. Essential adjective clauses provide information that is necessary to understand the sentence. Without this clause, the meaning of the sentence would change. For example, people who don't recycle are contributing to environmental problems. Here, if we remove the clause, who don't recycle, the meaning of the sentence changes significantly. Non-essential adjective clauses, on the other hand, provide additional information that, while interesting or helpful, is not necessary to understand the basic meaning of the sentence. These clauses are usually set off by commas. For example, my car, which is a 2010 model, still runs perfectly. Here, which is a 2010 model, is a non-essential clause. Even without it, the sentence, my car still runs perfectly, still makes sense. Well, that wraps up our lesson on adjective clauses and their functions. These versatile grammatical tools will undoubtedly enhance your writing and conversational skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try creating your own sentences using adjective clauses. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next grammar adventure.